Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's talk about the missing link Smartmouth dental chews. So this is more than just a regular dental chew that focuses on teeth. This also has vitamins and minerals in it that help with skin and coat and immune support as well. So they've put a lot of thought into this product and how it can benefit not only the teeth of the dog, but also the rest of the dog as well. So I think this is a brilliant product. My dog absolutely loves eating it. And then it is recommended one a day. So this one I have the petite because my dog is only around 9 to 10 pounds and he loves it. It's a perfect size for him. So I also love it just based on, like I said, the other benefits. It helps with teeth cleaning, fresh breath, build up plaque, and then it also helps with the skin and coat and supports digestion and immune system. So I think these are absolutely fantastic. Like I said, my dog adores them. One a day sometimes for him doesn't seem to be enough and he will try and get more than one, but that is the daily suggested amount. So guys, we love the Smartmouth dog chews, but that's just our point of view.